In this video I will answer the following questions. Can GoPro 10 record sound? And if so, how is the sound quality and how you can improve it? One of the most common questions is, can GoPro 10 record sound? And the answer is definitely yes. But if you are recording yourself directly from the built-in mic, don't expect too high quality sound. And I want to demonstrate you the difference between built-in mic and external mic. That is a sound test from the built-in microphone. That is a sound test from external microphone. Like most cameras in the market, also in GoPro, the built-in mic is not the best. But the problem is you cannot connect external microphone directly to the GoPro camera. So later in the video I will show you how you can improve the sound quality. Also, people asking if it's possible to record audio while using GoPro housing. But before I will answer the question, I want to mention that our channel has great reviews, tips and tricks, step-by-step tutorials, and everything you need to know to make the most out of your product. So please subscribe to the channel, it helps us a lot. Also, if you want to learn more about GoPro 10, I recommend you to check out our playlist GoPro 10. I will put a link up here or in the description. GoPro housing is mostly dedicated for diving, so it's very sealed, but you still can record with audio, and from my experience, the audio is clear. And now let's talk about how you can improve the sound. Since GoPro doesn't come with output for the external microphone, there is a few solutions. The first one and the most popular solution is to use GoPro Media Mod. The Media Mod comes with two microphones. The first one is located in the front of the camera, which is great for vlogging, and the second one located in the back of the camera, which is a great option if you want to speak while you're taking videos. Moreover, the Media Mod has more useful ports. Of course, you can connect external microphone, USB Type-C connector, HDMI connector, which is perfect if you want to connect a GoPro to a bigger screen while you are recording videos. And of course, you will find link to the GoPro 10, to the GoPro housing and to the GoPro Media Mod in the description down below. And the second option is good for people who don't want to spend more money on Media Mod or other devices. You can record yourself through the built-in microphone of the GoPro camera and simultaneously record yourself with external microphone and synchronize the audio later in video editing software. To do that, connect the external microphone to your phone or your computer. You can use any recording software of your choice, and I strongly recommend you to choose the highest recording quality as possible. And now start record audio and video simultaneously. After you finish the video shooting, import a video file from GoPro camera to your video editing software. Now import the audio file you record through your phone or computer and locate it under the audio of your video. Choose both of them and synchronize the audio. Let me know in the comments if you are interested in step-by-step tutorial how to synchronize audio in Premiere Pro. Guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it and you find it helpful, please click the like and subscribe button. If you have any comment or questions, let me know in the comments down below. Like always, I wish you a beautiful day and of course, I will see you soon.